Channel we are going to see how to make healthy banana pancake. The required ingredients are wheat flour. I have taken 1/4 cup of wheat flour depending on the number of eggs and bananas you are using. I have taken 1 egg over here. We can replace the egg with melted butter. 1 banana. I have taken vanilla essence. Instead of vanilla essence you can use cardamom powder. Baking powder. If you don't have baking powder you can use the normal baking soda. I have taken jaggery powder over here. Instead of jaggery powder you can use normal sugar or honey, or if you don't want sweetness you can avoid it. I have taken half cup of boiled milk. Now we can add in all the ingredients into a mixing jar. That is the banana, egg, and for baking powder I am going to use half spoon of baking powder. If you are using baking soda, please do use only 1/4 spoon of baking soda. I am taking 1.5 spoon of jaggery powder, a pinch of vanilla essence, and add in the milk. We have to blend it into a smooth mixture. Now to the wheat flour I am adding a pinch of salt, and we can add in the mixture. We have to mix it very well until there is no lumps. Since the batter is thick I am going to add some milk into it. The batter should be in pouring consistency like this. Now to a hot pan we can add in some butter, and we can add the pancake batter. See, there are air bubbles forming on the top. After few minutes you can see the whole pancake turning in different color and full of bubbles. See, you can see the difference. Now you can flip it to the other side and cook it for 1 minute. Now our pancake is ready. We can have it the same way, or I'll show you the way we can serve it. The first way is Nutella. Children love Nutella, so take a spread of Nutella on top of the pancake, cut it in slices and serve it. Children will love it. And the second way is, on top of a pancake add slices of banana and drizzle some honey. Trust me, it tastes awesome. And the third way is, on top of a pancake add the banana slices and squeeze in the chocolate syrup and flip it into half, and again drizzle some chocolate syrup if needed. Our healthy banana pancake is ready. Hope you liked it. Please do try at your homes and send me the feedbacks. If you don't like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.